Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can set up event reminders by email or notification in Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have your Google Calendar open up, and let's say you want to create an event, right? Let's say you have a dinner at 7 p.m. and you wanted to send you a reminder before the event takes place. What you want to do is you want to click on more options, and then you would locate a notification bell. So what you want to do is you want to set it to have a notification of 30 minutes before the event, or you can have the Google Calendar send you the reminder through email. You can always change it to something else like 30 hours before the event or 30 days before the event, whichever makes sense to you. And that is how, and after after you set the notification, you can hit save, and Google Calendar will make sure to send you the notification or the reminder before the event takes place. And that is how you can set the reminder for your event in Google Calendar. Thank you.